Hi, my name is David. I'm the Riding Academy Manager for Orlando Harley-Davidson. In today's Harley Hack, we're going to discuss helmets. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, it's a great time to do that. Keep up with all of the Harley hacks, our bike customization, our bike reviews, and our riding tips that we have for you. When we talk about helmets, it's really important to realize that our head is the one part of our body we can't live without. So we want to make sure that we protect it. We protect it with our choice of helmets. You have choices of half helmets, which of course only protect half of your head, all the way up to a full face helmet or a modular helmet, which can protect all of your head. The components that make up a helmet are what gives us the amount of protection we need. A helmet is made up of four primary key factors. The outer shell, which protects from sharp objects penetrating us to reach our head. A sharp object is not going to be able to get through to impact our head. We have the impact absorbing liner, the polystyrene, which absorbs the impact. It doesn't do much for objects penetrating it, but it absorbs that impact if we were to hit the ground or another object. We have the comfort padding, which allows the helmet to shape and fit to our head. You want to make sure that that comfort padding fits you properly and keep it clean. Some helmets, that comfort padding pieces come out and can be washed or replaced. Probably the most important and often overlooked element of our helmet is the strapping, because if the helmet doesn't stay on your head, it's not going to give you much protection. Once you've decided on the kind of helmet that you want, make sure you check on the quality of the helmet you're buying. Helmets can range from $50 to $1,000. How much is your head worth? Make sure you pick out a helmet that has the quality aspects that are going to protect you if something was to happen. Less than 4% of the impacts of our head hitting the ground happens on top of our head. So that means over 90% of the impacts occur in other areas. Which area of your helmet gets the most impacts? When we pick up a full face helmet like this and we look at the statistics from the Hurt report, we've determined over 30% of the impacts from your head hitting the ground happen in this area. And if that's the case, and you want to protect that pretty face, a full face helmet's the right choice for you. And I don't know about you, but I'm kind of partial to this face, so I want to keep it. So my choice is always to wear a full face helmet, even if it's not something that's required of me to do. You know, hey, you only make this once. You can choose, if you want to be able to cool off or when you stop, you can choose a modular helmet, which opens up to allow for better speaking and volume when you're stopped. But remember, when you're riding, to put it down. When this is up, the wind can get this, it can pull on your neck, or if you happen to fall, that extra leverage can cause more damage to you than possibly a three-quarter helmet would. The three-quarter helmet's going to give you more protection on the sides than the half helmet, but it still doesn't give you that protection for your nose and face. You want to choose a helmet that's going to be the proper one for you. When we talk about a proper helmet for you, that also includes fit. Don't just pick up any helmet and think it's going to be okay to wear. If the helmet doesn't fit you snugly, put a little pressure on the cheeks, and fit you good on the crown of your head, you're going to have problems down the road. So when you do try that helmet on, wear it for 10 or 15 minutes around the shop before you decide that it's the right shape, size, and fit for you when you're riding. Make sure you ask one of our associates in our general merchandise department. They are very knowledgeable about all of the helmets that we have and about what's the right fit for you. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching our Harley Hack of the Week. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, It's a great time to do that. Keep up with all of the Harley hacks, our bike customization, our bike reviews, and our riding tips that we have for you.